Heatilator Novus Evolution offers contemporary lines and modern styling at an affordable price. This direct vent gas fireplace comes in 2 sizes with a choice of several front finishes. Glass crystals, which are available in various colors, cover the burner system. Flames rise through the crystals and reflect off the porcelain interior walls, creating the stunning illusion of fire and ice. The Evolution is as functional as it is beautiful. For times when less heat is desired, the flames can be turned down by as much as 50%. It comes standard with IntelliFire Plus intermittent pilot ignition for maximum fuel conversion.